the right to support whoever you want to support, but necessary against two particular things. The first, acrimonious support. We are serial caller. We are communicator. Party Amawa Kenya, Okwasina Radio Kasa. Now there's our platform, no. Airport be up here. Now they run you be down. Now the campaign now will preferred candidates. Now say Utiana ye now they also support now Rene. Now opponents now running it down in the Rene. Yeah, better than I. So some of you are delegates. Some of you may not be delegates. You have the right to support whoever you want to support. But Mama Maye Musu platform one. Yede do Mama Party as communicators. And found running people down because we are not supporting them. Now you come to others. Il y a also bien block support or block endorsements. I will advise against that. Because I get who post from constituency to national, and I'm not just talking about regional executives. Because national force member, national for Nangaza, some will contest each other. So it is normal. But Omoba, Omoba communicators, Omoba executives. Who person will support to Bia? Who just support to Naya campaign? But in situation, if I got the serial callers and Washington reading, they declare support, I'm away. And my communicators and Washington reading, their support, I'm away, whether at national or constituency, it is dangerous. They be divided parts, If I'm better. And when those people lose, it will be very difficult bringing them on board. As I would tell you, not your own year campaign, so individually, feel free to support people, but be decorous about it. Now, who say, don't use the opportunity you have in the media to run anybody down, or to attack anybody, or to insult anybody, or to settle a personal score. And who will degrade me as a constituency leader or regional leader? Don't use that to galvanize the people like under you. Say publicly, here on this side. See, I the side, and now one person. The Batomon may answer. Any moment of mama. One original communication team here, we are about this. One Casamu, Makuma, Muni, your original idea. Support the person the best way you can and vote for the person. But a non-divided communication team, let us stay together. Because there is no award like best opposition party. Nipana will support he cannot change your destiny. But he cannot change your destiny if the party is in opposition.
Can tell her like it or not, whether whoever you call yourself. I was saying, Katacha Fifa, Jimmy saw. Or about you say, me, Jimmy Cradier. We are all I saw your henny, and Nana Katach, name me Bupa, but what Jimmy? Somewhat tell me you do 2 for them, you made him. Somewhat now, Johnny Sound could be a do 2 for them as a group would ya. Katacha Fifa walk was. Chimi, media stamina from Kaja Fifa, what Chimido, won't fatter so do a hen was sentiment because what Quasiano, what you go something with me. Captain Smart, oh, fatter so from was a sentiment. Captain Smart, what Chimiaco Johnny Cobia, ye go a sentiment massy, what Chimiaco Johnny Cobia, ye good Papa Penmassy, into walk us. Kevin Teller, oh, Papa, or any the Papa, now you know. Listen and listen very carefully. We will not respect and we will not give a damn. And when you touch me, as soon as assassin Tioka. So what come ask them and as also they keep on watching money. Yes, assassin is so be a woman and so I've been Tioka because what the beer you've been and be your papa. Listen to me very careful. Saying listen because you and make us. Yeah, what check and for my and see Jimmy who can tell our papa you hear me. Me aware pa Kenya pon ko kan gamompe. Maka. O papa amobra wa ton sase nso wa amobra. O papa edina no eka no me asem gu so a me di suru ani asase. Me de me no me we panyin ba me to me wo Kevin Taylor because o papa entimi support there we cannot be stopped. Listen. Me tia me oyen ni ntoma ba ko pe. Na tale ba ko pe entimi come here for ma. If you don't understand the reason why I'm talking for Kufaro, that is why. What for my family? Enti antra na me say ena sabato jate ni dio no ka bi tele dia se moko trifu. Frema o papa e penyin fo penyin chimi o ma me yakwasiaba. Listen, I don't care. Me ma me te kura na ye ne ya enya me ya. Me ma me nim say so na me yakura bon. So not you today will change me. I change myself, but you people are bringing me there. So I'm trying to go there. So what do we do at 2 for them? In the name of viewers, I'm looking for viewers here. Mr. Viewers. That is all. Ya can't again. Say viewers in here. Me with me, I made you gentleman. That is me. You go have a bonnet. Can you Japan? I hear one bopra, and to me, one bopra. Me pese me nyiri chese Akufo-Addo eti me yiri me obu panyini pese oso nyiri chese MS Akufo-Addo dia. Listen, osofo oso bejo de akwa bia wodi na nado atemede otumfo atem me mu osene uni because the woni ne wose hwa ma wodi panyini bia atem dia. Yeah, Dr. Ray, o papa yakwasia akachiro. Listen, wow, if you touch me, so eyo ya na touch me na odi matem me fa ho ano de wa oso odi matem. Nature, that is how nature work. It will be coming here. Maybe me you cry a girlfriend be cry what triable. As you have found. Yeah, a girlfriend business me, I don't care. Oh, I'm a girlfriend, I am the girlfriend. It be a pass, I don't care. Oh, me, I don't care. Leave me alone. Many a dinner, me the baby, I say, who's one year dinner would depend at me, nipping in the atom. Me do papa, what I am dipping in the atom. There's a video I me call Jonas. Jonas, oh, mammy, Ayokasiaba, or Bow wanted to buy. No, my mother too, because out to America, oh, my minty, some bow swab a viewers. We are getting there. You think we are joking? Mother, Mamma, no America, okay, let's hear me in no says. Mumma, no Germany, David, and cowbell judge you. And maybe I'm uncle to Quansam, Random Mamma, I'm a do my party. Monsieur, young for man, this and phone to Munyam and Minister for them, your yenny back. That's party by my way. I carry a poor by my way. A Kufo-Addo by my way. To a mamma by my way. I said, look at your mamma.